This was the first warning sign of what Modi's India was going to look like. It exposed the deepening divide between communities, a brutal murder in public, the one that changed India, and it's like the country has decided to forget it. In September 2015, 50-year-old Akhlaq was killed by a murderous mob in the first incident of a cow related mob lynching in India. For a decade, the family has waited for justice. But the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh now wants to withdraw the case. Let's talk about the case for a bit. It shocked the nation. It led to the Award Wapsi movement. Writers, poets, and activists returned their prestigious government awards in protest. Akhlaq was dragged out of his home and he and his son were beaten on the suspicion that they had slaughtered a cow. The meat found in his fridge was declared as proof because a local Hindu temple had made an announcement that maybe a cow was slaughtered. So, the mob targeted this family. Akhlaq died, his son was severely injured. In 2016, the police said there was no evidence that a cow was ever slaughtered by the family. 18 people were charged at the time under charges of murder and rioting, but all of them are out on bail. And over the years, food policing, mob lynching, self named cow vigilantes have all been normalized. The government has said that there is no record of any enmity between the accused and the victim. There was no sharp weapon found, and there have been inconsistent statements by the family in naming the accused. So it is thinking of dropping the case altogether. But then who killed Akhlaq? Despite extensive news reports detailing the attack, how come nobody is responsible? I guess it's up to the court to think about that and decide now.